Hello and welcome back to Right Style Cooking TV. Today I'm gonna do a sweet potato pudding. This pudding is one of the most delicious puddings in Jamaica and it's very popular. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. I appreciate your viewership and I hope wherever you are, you're all keeping safe. Okay, let's begin. In this bowl, I have 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm gonna do the dry ingredients first. 1 cup all-purpose flour, 1 cup brown sugar. Gonna add a mix. One and a half tablespoon, correction, 1.5 teaspoon nutmeg. Two teaspoon allspice. Rub them together. One teaspoon salt. One cup raisins. You can use raisins that have been soaked in rum for Christmas cakes, or you can use regular dry raisins. To this I'm going to add 1 teaspoon margarine. Rub the margarine out. Okay. Now I'm gonna add 2 cups or 2 pounds, 2 pounds sweet potato grated. Jamaican sweet potatoes. You can get these at the international stores, Chinese grocery, Korean grocery, etc., where Jamaican products and West Indian products are sold. I mix the same. That's 2 cups, 2 pounds sweet potatoes. Got to peel it, grate it with the small section of a 4 section grater, the smallest one. Okay, mix this in. Now it's time for the coconut milk. Gonna use 2 cups coconut milk. You can get the 2 cups coconut milk from cans, or you you can get the 2 cups coconut milk from coconut grated and squeezed. Pour it in. I'll be leaving some back in case I've added too much. Then I'll be adding 1 tablespoon vanilla. Rub all of this in. You can add 2 tablespoons white rum. Rum is optional. 2 tablespoons white rum or dark rum. I was asked by my friend to add rum, so I'll be adding rum. Adding some dark rum. So this is 1 tablespoon. Two tablespoons dark rum. These are all the ingredients for this cake, for this sweet potato pudding. Okay, this pudding will be baked, can be baked in a 10-inch round pan, or any other pan. Like the one I'll be using is a 9.5 by 11-inch pan, and it's 2 inches deep. That's good enough for this pudding. So this is the texture. I can add a little more of the coconut milk. Okay, this is the texture of the pudding. Here I have the pan, and if you observe, it's greased. So what I'll do now is pour the mixture in the pan. And flatten the mixture. I'll be putting it in the oven now. I'll see you when this pudding is baked. See you then. I nearly forgot the most important thing. This potato pudding will be baked in a preheated oven, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, for 40 to 60 minutes. It can test it before. If you see it's looking done, you can test it with a sharp knife. You stick the knife in the middle, and once it comes out clean, then it's ready. See you then. I'm gonna put it in the preheated oven now. Okay, the potato pudding is now finished. Looks lovely. I know it also tastes lovely. I'm gonna do is get a slice out of it. And give it a taste test. Okay, the pudding. Take a taste. Oh, yummy. This pudding is great. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel.